Welcome everybody. We're down here at the city of Deadwood, South Dakota, getting ready to go play some poker at the Silverado Casino, right across the street from the Franklin Hotel. So come follow us. Let's check out the games, and we'll let you know how we do. Then we're gonna head down to saloon number 10, play there. Had a good run over at Cadillac Jack, so let's see what happens. And we just had a great little game over here at Silverado, next to the Franklin Hotel. So follow us everybody on motorcycles and poker adventures in South Dakota. See you next year. Guys, we're over here at Silverado, just off of the main drag of the motorcycle rally here in Sturgis. We're playing poker at the Silverado. They got some great room here. They've got 6 tables, a lot of tournaments. They do a lot of cash games, tournament games on a basically daily basis. A lot of big winners. Pick a few of them up here from the wall. And in September, they got the state championships here, which give an awful trophy. So if you get a chance, come on out and play Silverado here in Deadwood, South Dakota. And if you're here in August, enjoy the bike rally, Sturgis, largest in the world. Come join us everybody. And we got a good run here at the Silverado, so come follow us on motorcycles and poker adventures, cash games.